Welcome to the General Knowledge Quiz. 30 questions. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Question 1. Which metal is safe to eat? A. Silver. B. Gold. C. Copper. D. Nickel. Time's up. The correct answer was A. Silver. Question 2. Which planet is closest to the Sun? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Mercury. D. Earth. Time's up. The correct answer was C. Mercury. Question 3. What is the largest ocean in the world? A. Atlantic. B. Indian. C. Arctic. D. Pacific. Time's up. The correct answer was D. Pacific. Question 4. Which country has the largest population? A. USA. B. India. C. China. D. Russia. Time's up. The correct answer was B. India. Question 5. What is the most spoken language in the world? A. English. B. Hindi. C. Spanish. D. Mandarin. Time's up. The correct answer was D. Mandarin. Question 6. Which animal is the fastest on land? A. Lion. B. Cheetah. C. Horse. D. Leopard. Time's up. The correct answer was B. Cheetah. Question 7. How many sides does a hexagon have? A. 5. B. 7. C. 6. D. 8. Time's up. The correct answer was C. 6. Question 8. Which continent is the largest by area? A. Africa. B. Europe. C. Asia. D. America. Time's up. The correct answer was C. Asia. Question 9. What is the capital city of Japan? A. Osaka. B. Tokyo. C. Kyoto. D. Hiroshima. Time's up. The correct answer was B. Tokyo. Question 10. Which gas do plants absorb from the air? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Hydrogen. Time's up. The correct answer was C. Carbon dioxide. Question 11. How many bones are in the adult human body? A. 196. B. 206. C. 216. D. 226. Time's up. The correct answer was B. 206. Question 12. What is the longest river in the world? A. Amazon. B. Yangtze. C. Nile. D. Mississippi. Time's up. The correct answer was C. Nile. Question 13. Which country is known as the birthplace of pizza? A. France. B. Greece. C. Spain. D. Italy. Time's up. The correct answer was D. Italy. Question 14. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? A. Gold. B. Diamond. C. Quartz. D. Titanium. Time's up. The correct answer was B. Diamond. Question 15. Which planet has the most moons? A. Jupiter. B. Saturn. C. Uranus. D. Neptune. Time's up. The correct answer was B. Saturn. Question 16. What does H2O represent? A. Salt. B. Acid. C. Water. D. Sugar. Time's up. The correct answer was C. Water. Question 17. What color do you get when you mix red and blue? A. Green. B. Orange. C. Brown. D. Purple. Time's up. The correct answer was D. Purple. Question 18. How many continents are there on Earth? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. Time's up. The correct answer was C. 7. Question 19. Which sport is played at Wimbledon? A. Golf. B. Cricket. C. Tennis. D. Badminton. Time's up. The correct answer was C. Tennis. Question 20. What is the capital city of Australia? A. Sydney. B. Melbourne. C. Brisbane. D. Canberra. Time's up. The correct answer was D. Canberra. Question 21. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood? A. Lungs. B. Liver. C. Brain. D. Heart. Time's up. The correct answer was D. Heart. Question 22. What is the fastest flying bird in the world? A. Eagle. B. Peregrine falcon. C. Ostrich. D. Hawk. Time's up. The correct answer was B. Peregrine falcon. Question 23. How many players are on a soccer team? A. 9. B. 10. C. 11. D. 12. Time's up. The correct answer was C. 11. Question 24. Which country is the Eiffel Tower located in? A. Italy. B. Spain. C. Germany. D. France. Time's up. The correct answer was D. France. Question 25. In what year did World War II end? A. 1943. B. 1944. C. 1945. D. 1946. Time's up. The correct answer was C. 1945. Question 26. Which element has the chemical symbol O? A. Gold. B. Osmium. C. Oxygen. D. Oxide. Time's up. The correct answer was C. Oxygen. Question 27. What is the square root of 144? A. 10. B. 11. C. 12. D. 13. Time's up. The correct answer was C. 12. Question 28. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? A. England. B. Germany. C. Spain. D. France. Time's up. The correct answer was D. France. Question 29. How many hours are there in 1 week? A. 148. B. 158. C. 168. D. 178. Time's up. The correct answer was C. 168. Question 30. What is the largest mammal on Earth? A. Elephant. B. Giraffe. C. Blue whale. D. Hippo. Time's up. The correct answer was C. Blue whale. Quiz complete. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.